Let's open some Nommies. So I was supposed to open this in the recording, but I didn't press record, and I got the milkshake. So cute. With this one, I already have berry jam candy, so I'm fine with any, but not that one. Hurry up! Oh my god! This is pudding cream, and I'm in love. Like the sunflowers, the bows, the lace, everything. Huh? Oh my god, I'm colorblind. This is mint cream. That's a lock-in one. Oh, cute! The little pearls and the bows. So cute. Cuties.